When I was working on the Windows tray in about 95, the first thing I noticed was something interesting about the Windows clock. At least it was designed to work back then. The first thing was that it did not and could not display seconds. In fact, the code never looked at the number of seconds even when painting. There must be a reason, but what? Well, spoiler alert, it's all about system performance. Let's say it takes 10 milliseconds to look up the needed info and to paint the clock. That means it happens once per second or once per every 1,000 milliseconds, so that out of those 1,000 milliseconds, a mere 10 are used by the clock. The question at that point becomes whether or not displaying the clock is worth 0.1% of your CPU. It does mean that every benchmark, every test is going to produce a fractionally lower result. And remember, people were coming to the new Windows user interface from having used Win3.1, which doesn't even show the current time at all. Everything about the new versions of Windows would be compared back to and tested against the prior versions, and any slowdown would be unacceptable.